Hello, YouTubers. Today we're out in the Deschutes National Forest riding a combination of old forest roads, logging roads, and trails. And just me, my father, and my son out for a ride today. And yeah, hopefully this will just basically be a cruising and ripping video. Not a whole lot of talking from me, unless I'm talking to my son. He's connected to my headset, so you may hear a little overlap from that. But enjoy. Son, you let me know if we get a fight, you start getting away too much, or if you're doing all right. We're testing some mods on a $100 mini or $100 pit bike I got. I did a bunch of updates and mods to it, and we're really kind of got a gearing change on it. So we're going out to see how capable it is. Yeah, right now I'm riding my son's bike, which is a CRF 70 frame with a Life in 140 with a clutch motor for at 4 speed. This thing is wicked fast. It does like 60, 65 miles an hour. It's a 12-inch rear wheel, 14 front. She's a death machine, and this is my son's bike. This is his daily. So yeah, he's got a lot of power that he's learned how to master between his legs. Well, still hasn't mastered it, but he's learned it pretty well. Yeah, baby, rip! This frickin' motor is just wicked. It really needs more frame under it, but she's quite fun as it is. How's it doing, son? Good? Feel all right? All right. Let's go through this trail here, guys. Just kind of looping around in the foothills of Helena and McKay. Just lots of good little roads out here for cruising on and practicing your corners. Just having a good time. Great motorcycle roads out here. If you're someone who likes to play in dirt. Woo! And the power to weight ratio is just so insane on this. Like, it doesn't matter the size of the bike, guys. They're all enjoyable to me. It doesn't matter if it's slow, if it's fast, if it's bigger, it's small. I get my thrills out of all of them. Just cruising down this stuff. Yeah, just ripping. Here's my boy. Where's he at? Where's he at? Nice, nice. He's ripping. He's ripping. Wow, that machine's just shredding. All right, let's go. The old man riding on the mini bike. Custom build right here. She's wicked fast too. She needs an update, some clutch updates, so she'll do wheelies for me. But right now she's just a speed demon. It's quick, it's fun. Everything I got usually is pretty well tuned to give you a thrill. This little mini bike is just so fun with me on it. Now I don't weigh a whole lot. I'm probably the size of a kid myself, but it just allows me many more options on machines. Look at that nice little jump right there. I should hit it. Should hit it. I did a jump the other day. You guys will get to see that sometime. We did get it on video, but I kind of did a Superman on this little bike. Boy, it was fun, but it sure was spooky. Uh-oh. Oh, I see. Hey, you want to trade? You like that? Does it feel good? I figured it should feel pretty comparable at your weight, right? I mean, does it feel pretty capable? Power feel good? Just a little doggy, though, huh? Yeah, definitely no crazy monster like this, but yeah, that's his original motor right there. So that's a CRF 70 on this $100 pit bike frame. So it works. I think I spent 505 and a quarter or something on this life and motor kit from Amazon. You just got to do your research about the seller to make sure that it's a legitimate project. But the life and motors have 5 clutches in them, a 5-plate clutch, so it's more like a, pretty comparable motorcycle clutch. It does pretty good. It feels pretty good. And it's held up to in a substantial amount of abuse over the last 2 years. I mean, nobody's been kind to this machine. Nobody. My son's the kindest one on it. He's just now finding the power in it. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. He's just ripping. See our dust out there. Looks like somebody's garbage. Ooh, washing out, washing out. I'm sleeping on the job there. Woo! That was a tight corner. Yeah, this thing just feels so good. Just such a good machine. Finally adjusted the valves on it today. Man, so much better. I think it's something I should have done a video of. Let's see. Oh, some garbage in here too. That's nice. One problem in this land. We're so close to the dump. So many people seem to just come down the public roads and throw their trash everywhere. Why are you riding in the back, old man? Why are you riding in the back? Stay up here next to me. Old timers shouldn't be back there sucking dust. It's only got half a lung. Yeah, look like it, huh? Well, it was down here too. All right. Yeah, they did, didn't they? Oh, wow. Someone decided to throw trash in our play pit. That's cute. That's depressing, man. Oh, that's fun. Good little strip right there. Good little loop. Enjoyable, very enjoyable. Something I like to ride a lot. Get. Oh, you gotta gun it, son. Get in first gear and gun it. You all right? Here you go. Slide her down some more. Keep pulling it down. There you go. Now stand it up. She's not. She's the same weight as your other bike, actually. Maybe a little lighter. But it's okay. You got it? Hold the grab the brake. That front brake right there. The right handle. Hold that. There you go. That's your control. Now stand it up. There you go. You got it. You got it. Now just release that brake a little bit so she'll slide down. There you go. You got it. Keep walking it. Let's walk her on down. Yeah, that's one thing that's kind of annoying about the semi-automatics is that they're stuck in gear. You can't just clutch it, huh? Here, why don't you try it on your actual bike? I'll try it on that. Let's see if I can get through it. Ugh. Well, that's some sloppy stuff, buddy. Sloppy stuff. Here you go. Go ahead and give her a rip. I'd just get some speed on it, keep speed, and stay in second gear. You should be able to pull through all that real good. All right, come on, let's see him go. Ah, good old Honda reliability. One kick. Okay, just go, go, go. Don't hesitate. Keep your feet on the pegs. Look ahead. Look ahead. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it, bro. You got this. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, the thing is, when you put your feet down, you lose your traction, man. So you gotta. That's what you gotta learn. That's part of that commitment thing. You just gotta trust your skill. Trust the bike. Keep the power on. All right. I'm gonna try it on this thing. I don't think I don't think it's got enough. Seems pretty gutless, man. You just gotta wind that baby out. Yeah, like she's a two-stroke. Yeah, go baby. Woo! Get it, 70. Get it. Get it, CRF 70. Let's go, baby. Woo! Hey, you just gotta know how to get the power out of it, son. Woohoo! She was losing some speed that time, I'll tell you. What? She's got some pep. She's got some pep in her step. I'll give her that. Hey, come on. It's alright. I'll take it. Go grab the other one. Alright, let's try to go in this. Let's try to do this reverse, huh? Ah, so weird feeling. It don't feel right at all. You're sideways the whole time. It's definitely easier to go down this though, I think. Ugh. You're not gonna try it? You're not gonna give it a try, Pops? That baby's got the power. Whew. Man, that's crazy. All right.